What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I want to know, talking about ticker symbol CBRS Cerebras Systems, I want to know the poor soul who bought at 385. I want to send it, join the Whop. I'm going to send you a 50% discount to the Whop if you bought up at $385. Let me know. Now, let's break it down real quick. Looking at these levels on Cerebras, we got to watch. We have a clear rejection point at $340 per share. We're going to look for shorting on this when it opens up tomorrow at the open. Also, let's go over a few stocks that I think are worth mentioning that you should be paying attention to. Now, this is all inclusive in the Whop. We go over these every single day, but take a look. Netflix stock is making lower lows right now. It needs to hold this. Currently, you have a potential inverse head and shoulders forming. I'm going to show you right here. If we can break above this, we can retest resistance into $90. But here's your left shoulder. There's your head right there on the bottom, and then here's your right shoulder. What Netflix needs to do is it needs to push up much higher back into resistance at $90 per share. So we're going to see if that inverse head and shoulders pans out. Pay attention though, you have overhead resistance lining up at these $90 levels. This is something you need to pay attention to. Let's move over to PLTR. PLTR, we thought was going to be weak. It was breaking 132, going lower. It has faked out the shorts, 128 pushing back above. Now we're going to see, can it go above this overhead resistance at $137 per share? Another stock I want to bring to light here is ticker symbol AIIO, Robo AI. This is something you need to pay attention to. This stock has ballooned to $9.20. Can it get a pushback up, or is this the backside of the move? I want to hear in the comment section below from you guys. This is something I have been watching and I think is worth your attention. Also, who are my MU holders? Please comment in the section below. We have an MU holder in our Whop. He's been holding since $100 per share. He's up pretty huge on this, over 400%. Now, if you look, this stock has a ways to go if it does pull back. If we pull back, your first support level is going to be around $680 at 13% pullback. Currently, it's continuing to go up, but you let me know if you think it's something that you are interested in. Also, Microsoft, this is still going to be the stock of the year. I took some profits on them. If you've been following the channel, we're getting back into a position in Microsoft. They are reclaiming this support level. This is something that's very interesting. You are reclaiming these support levels, and now Microsoft is potentially going to start moving up here, but it needs to hold this $400 level. If we can get above $400, maybe we'll see a retest of $430. If you haven't checked out the link in the Whop yet, check it out in the YouTube channel. I'll post in the link in the description for you. Basically, we have two products for you guys. If you want to learn how to day trade, you can buy the blueprint as well, which is my exact day trading strategy. If you want to join the community chat, where you gain access to direct chat with us. We do live streams every single Wednesday and weekends. We also have a voice Discord chat that is open for all of the Whop members. And then also you can go through the announcements, weekly stock levels, swing trade ideas, educational stock ideas, the educational portfolio view, where you get to see my real portfolio in real time and gain access to it. If you don't believe it, definitely check out the wall of wins, where you can see all of the wins that the Whop members have been posting with their day trades. I hope to see you in the Whop, and we'll see you next time.